The customer brought their vehicle in, stating that the check engine light was on. To begin, I connected a scan tool to the car and retrieved diagnostic trouble code P0341. This code refers to the range performance issue with the Camshaft Position Sensor A circuit, bank 1 or single sensor, SHA. To further investigate, I performed a road test while monitoring the live data on the scan tool. During the test, I noticed that the variable valve timing VVT controlled solenoid parameter intermittently dropped out, which indicated a potential issue with the VVT system. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the VVT control solenoid, looking for visible faults such as corrosion, loose connections, or damaged wiring. However, everything appeared to be in good condition. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to test for voltage and ground at the VVT solenoid connector. Both were present, which ruled out any problems with the power supply or ground. To confirm the root cause, I used the multimeter to check the continuity of the VVT control solenoid itself. Continuity was not present, meaning the solenoid was faulty and unable to function correctly. This explained the intermittent loss of the VVT parameter during the road test. The VVT control solenoid is a critical part of the engine's variable valve timing system, which adjusts the timing of the camshafts to optimize engine performance and fuel efficiency. When this component fails, the engine's timing can be affected, potentially leading to reduced performance, poor fuel economy, or even damage to the engine if left unresolved. Proper testing steps, including checking power, ground, and continuity, ensure that the faulty component is identified accurately before replacement. To fix the issue, I replaced the faulty VVT control solenoid with a new one. After completing the repair, I cleared the trouble codes from the system and performed another road test to confirm the repair. The vehicle operated properly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This thorough diagnostic and repair process ensured that the issue was resolved effectively, preventing future problems for the customer.